Hey guys, so it is currently day 31, so I have been in college for about a month now, and it's been going pretty good, I would say. I'm actually about to do homework right after I finish this video. So, I know I haven't recorded for the weekend, and today's Monday, and I mostly wanted to talk about the weekend because Sunday and Monday, or I wanted to talk about Saturday in specific, because Sunday and Monday, nothing really happened. Sunday, I hung out with my family, did homework. Monday, all I can say is that, usual stuff. Got help from the help desk for computer science, and yeah, and then did all my normal classes, got lunch, got dinner, stuff like that. So pretty boring so far. But Saturday. So Saturday was game day against the Arkansas Silverback Hogs. And I was talking about that in not yesterday's vlog, but Friday's vlog, and I was saying I can feel that game was going to be the game that we won. And guess what happened? We won that game, and I predicted it. I predicted the game that we were going to win. But not only that, that game made history for CSU, and I was there to witness it. The whole band, everyone was there to witness it. That game was the first game that CSU has won against an SEC team at home. I was so happy about that. After I saw the post that people said that this was history, I was like, what? But anyway, game started off strong, got a 50-yard field goal right after a pickoff. We got the turnover, and it was good, and then we got destroyed. We were getting destroyed in the first half, and then we ended up almost tying it up 9-13. Then after that, second half came around. The Hogs scored quite a few points. They ended up getting 14 more points, so 2 more touchdowns. But then came the end of third quarter, and the start of fourth, where the CSU Rams came back from being at 9 points to 34. Like, the band was losing their crap over this game. This one guy, number 11, made some spectacular catches. Number 33, spectacular sacks and interceptions. 55, also some pretty good sacks. I was like, what is happening? Who are these Rams? What is this? But anyway, yeah, that game was just amazing. I had lots of fun. I was dying by the end of it because I'm still kind of sick. My headache was killing me. I had a cough. I was like, there was a lot happening. But there's one part in particular that I want to talk about, and it involves my director, Dr. Fagan. Now, as we all know, a casual song to play during a football game, or just anything in general, is to play Don't Stop Believin' by Journey. And so, of course, by tradition, by literally everyone, you sing it, right? So we started singing it. We were like, how does it start? The young girl, whatever. But Dr. Fagan made a question at every pause. So it started, just a small town girl, and he goes, doing what? And we go, living in a lonely world. Then he goes, what did she do? Took the midnight train. You see, it went on like that. My favorite part of that was, we go, what was it? Anyway, he goes it's dark, and we go, street lights, and he's like, thank you, and oh my God, I could not stop laughing. My headache was killing me. Oh my God, I just lost it at that. So that was a really fun game. That was probably my favorite game by far. And I think this win is definitely going to boost the team's spirit in order to do better from here on out. So I'm excited. Next game we have is on the 22nd against Illinois, and that is our orange out. So the band gets to wear orange gauntlets and an orange plume, and I've seen pictures, and it looks, and an orange drop that instead of Rams it says Aggies, which is going to be super cool. I'm super excited about that. And so yeah, and on this Sunday, so I lied, it's not Saturday, it's on Sunday the 15th, we get to, or Sunday the 16th, sorry, we get to go to the Broncos game, perform the halftime show. And that's all we do. We don't watch the game. We just perform the halftime show for anyone who is curious about that. But I'm fairly certain, judging by pictures of last year, that we get to wear the orange outfit for that game as well. So that'll be cool. We get to don the orange outfit in Orange Country at the Broncos Stadium. And so, yeah. And then after that, on the 22nd, we do another orange out, which is going to be awesome. And then, yeah. But that's about it. Like I said, Sunday, went with my family, came back for the day, and we hung out. Then I did some homework, which I'm actually about to do some right now, which is actually what I'm using for lighting right now. It's my TV, because I'm about to show you guys something after this real quick. But then Monday, today, did my normal classes, went to the computer science lab to get this project that you're about to see done. Then I sat around for a little bit, got lunch with one of my friends. Then I, what did I do? I went to class, I went to my CS lecture, then I went to my calc lecture, then I went to my plant bio lecture, and then I went to band. We're starting to put Earth, Wind, and Fire on the field, so I can only imagine that's what we're going to do for the Bronco game. And then I'm going to suspect that we're also going to put it on the Illinois game, because we can't just do a show that some of the students aren't going to see. But then we got dinner at Braden, and so yeah, that was that. And then now I'm about to do some homework. But first, I want to show you guys my project. It's gonna be a little hard to show because I can't flip my camera without having to do some things like to splice. But as you can see, I have my typical setup. There's my other homework. But with this, we have a calculator. Now, if I can find where's my mouse? Hello. There it is. I'm sorry if this angle is bad. I'm hoping that I can get this right. But anyway, we are going to run this project. And here's the cool thing about this one. So there's two things here, as you can see right there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's calculator and P3. And now what calculator does is that it brings up this GUI, or graphical user interface. And what this interface does is that it's basically the skeleton of this whole project. And what I had to do was I had to make the guts. So I had to declare all the variables, as you would typically do for a program. Create a scanner to scan the expression that comes from the calculator, then brings it over here into the P3 assignment. Then I scan for if the scanner has a number, if the first thing is a number. If it does, then it turns that into the variable, and then otherwise it'll print out invalid operand. And I'll show this all later. Same thing with the second. It scans for the string, which is like the operator, so the plus, minus, multiplication, stuff like that. And I'm hoping you're seeing this all. And then the same thing with the second number. Then I do a switch case, where each case will say if it's plus, then add the 2. If it's minus, then subtract the 2. If it's a multiplication, multiply the 2. Division, multiply, so on and so forth. Then if the operator is invalid, then just display operator invalid. Then it'll return the result back to the calculator, or it'll turn the result that comes from here into a string, which is like a word, and then it'll return that back to the calculator. So then what happens in the end is that, say I want to do 10 times 30. It works out and it prints out perfectly. But say I want to do 3, oh wait, I gotta clear. Let's say I want to do 3 space, not percent, ampersand, oh, it's not working. Oh, where did my mouse go? I lost my mouse again. There it is. So if I click on this, I can actually type. Then if I do ampersand, then we'll do 66. It'll say, if I can find my mouse again, and I hit equals, it'll do invalid operator. So that's kind of it. I hope you guys all saw that. I couldn't know because I was using the screen to record it, but yeah. Anyway, you kind of basically heard what I said, so I can kind of just talk about it. There was an interface type stuff out. But yeah, that's kind of basically my day in a nutshell, my weekend in a nutshell, I should say, and an amazing game to boot. So I guess I will see you guys all hopefully tomorrow. I don't think I'll be doing much tomorrow. It is 9/11 though tomorrow, so maybe I'll do a little something for that, just a little moment of silence for that, because, you know, that's just something that everyone needs to do. But anyways, I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye.